How to buy Loopy token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, don't forget to go and engage with their community on X. As you can see, they have 273 members there. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screen. It created 11 hours ago and increased by 800% in less than 24 hours. And also, this token trending number 5 in the Solana section. Now, to be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just click here to copy the token address and open your fund to mine for that. As you can see, after that, you can click on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now after that, click here and paste the token address in the search bar. As you can see, this also now click on it and now click on I understand. And here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive the token, as you can see. After that, select the provider by clicking on pricing, click on provider, and after that select the Jupiter, click on apply, and now go back. And you will be able to see a swap here. Now click on it, and after that you can be able to redact it to Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy Loopy token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.